Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file quarterly sales taxes small business, only way. Gather sales records, calculate taxable sales, register for a state sales tax account, and confirm filing frequency. Use your point of sale reports and bank statements to reconcile totals. Track exempt sales and resale certificates to avoid overpaying. Set reminders for due dates and keep copies of filed returns for audits. Contact your state revenue department for clarifications. Start by confirming your filing schedule and collecting all sales invoices and receipts. Calculate taxable totals by jurisdiction and apply correct tax rates, such as 6%, 5%, or local additions. Use accounting software or spreadsheets to compute totals and generate a draft return. Verify credits, exemptions, and earlier payments before submitting. File online through your state portal and save confirmation numbers for records. Ask an accountant if filing thresholds or nexus rules seem unclear. Quick request, please subscribe and like if this video is helping you manage quarterly sales taxes. Quick recommendation, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, perfect for busy business owners on their feet. Check the description for the link and other deals and consider supporting the channel. It's a small pick-me-up that keeps you comfortable between filing and bookkeeping sessions. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Keep clear sales ledgers and note taxable versus exempt transactions. Reconcile sales totals with bank deposits and POS reports monthly. Maintain resale certificates and exemption documents in a single folder. Avoid common errors like using wrong tax rates or missing jurisdictional sales. Schedule quarterly reviews to catch mistakes before filing and adjust estimates if needed. Document corrections and carryovers to the next quarter to keep tax liability accurate. Consult your state guide when unsure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.